Hello students, a very good afternoon to all of you and a very great thankful to you because as you support us to teach in online classes in this unpleasant period due to the coronavirus. So a very great thankful to you. So students, today is an English class for you. This is a class of your English Daffodils English Reader book, and this is the second part of your chapter 2, The Farmer and the Son. As we discussed about this chapter, The Farmer and the Son, in part 1. On this class we already discussed about this chapter. Today's class we will discuss about this comprehension question and answer. So let's go ahead. So students, this is your second chapter, The Farmer and his Son. We have already a discussion about this chapter, that a farmer and his son were going to the market to sell their donkey. On their way they met so many peoples, and according to those peoples they do some unusable works and also criticized by the outer side. And then at the end of this lesson they get a great lesson, get a great teach about their foolishness, that if someone wants to please everyone, then he or she couldn't pleases no one. So this was the theme of this chapter. In this class we will discuss about your comprehension question and answer. So let's go easy first. That means at first we will do the short questions, short types. Number 1, choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Who accompanied the donkey to the market? Who accompanied the donkey to the market? We know that both farmer's son and farmer both were going to the market with the donkey. So here the right answer is option C, both A and B. That means both farmer's son and farmer. So the right answer is A and B. 2I. Choose the order in which the farmer and his son met different people, first, second, third and fourth. That means on their way the farmer and his son met so many peoples. You have to write orderly those people's name. First, we know that they met a woman. That means option A and B. Secondly, an old woman. Third, a group of girls. Fourth, a man. But in option A, here is an extra, an old woman. An old woman is also present in this chapter, but they don't meet the old woman on their way. The old woman herself give him a advice, but they don't meet him on their way. So the right option is woman, old man, girls and men. So the right answer is woman, old man, girls and men. Third I. The donkey kicked himself free and fell off the donkey kicked himself free and fell off the pole, because the farmer and his son tied the donkey onto a pole. So the donkey fell off the pole. True or false? The father and son were going to the market to sell their donkey. We know that this is right. The father and son were going to the market to sell their donkey. So it is true. The girls who met the farmer and his son on the way shouted at them. The girls who met the farmer and his son on the way shouted at him. No, students, we know that the girls were laughing at them. So this is false. The man at the market helped the farmer and his son untie the donkey. No, the donkey untied itself, matlab the donkey, that means the donkey untied from the pole its own tiredness or own trying. So this is false. Third one is false. IV. Screaming people scared the donkey. Screaming people scared the donkey. That means the screaming people scared the donkey. The outside people scared the donkey, frightened the donkey. Yes, this is the right statement. So this one is true. An old man following the farmer and his son. Note, देखो, look at this line again. An old man was following the farmer and his son. Not an old man. She is an old woman. She is an old woman. So this one is false. Next, step ahead. That means your long type answers. First, where were the farmer and his son going and why? Where were the farmer and his son going and why? Students, I have already answer sheet for you. Number 1, where were the farmer and his son going and why? Answer is, the farmer and his son were going to the market to sold their donkey. The farmer and his son were going to the market to sold their donkey. So the farmer and his son were going to the market to sold their donkey. Second question, who all did the farmer and his son meet on the way? Who all did the farmer and his son meet on the way? That means on their way, the farmer and his son meet so many peoples. You have to write their names. The farmer and his son met a woman first, then an old man, then a group of young girls, and lastly met a man on the way. Students, answer is, the farmer and his son met a woman first, then an old man, then a group of young girls, and lastly met a man on the way. Third I, what was the strange sight at which people were laughing? What was the strange sight at which people were laughing? Strange sight क्या था जिसके ऊपर लोग हंसे? Answer is, the father and his son tied the donkey's legs, slung him onto a pole, and carried him on their shoulders. The father and his son tied the donkey's legs, slung him onto a pole, and carried him on their shoulders. That was the strange sight at which people were laughing. यही था वो strange sight जिसके ऊपर लोग हंस रहे थे. Fourth question, who followed them till the market and what did she say? Who followed them till the market and what did she say? Students, you know well that an old man followed them till the market. At the end she said that the incident will teach you a great lesson, that he who tries to please everyone pleases no one. An older man followed them till the market. She said that the incident will teach you a great lesson, that he who tries to please everyone pleases no one. So dear students, these are your first 4 long questions and their answers. Next come to number 2. Here is a sentence, how foolish. And there are 2 questions according to this sentence. So we have to answer these questions with following this sentence. First question is, who says this and to whom? Who says this and to whom? Answer is, the first man says this to the farmer and his son. The first man says this to the farmer and his son. So second question, what is being referred to as a foolish act here? What is being referred to as a foolish act here? Here the foolish act is the farmer and his son were walking on foot when one of them can be easily carried on its back. On the donkey's back. On the donkey's back. So your answer, second question answer is, here the foolish act is the farmer and his son were walking on foot when one of them can be easily carried on the donkey's back. On the donkey's back. So ये आपका लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन हो गया. नेक्स्ट कम टू द ग्रामर साइड. वर्ड बैंक. वर्ड बैंक, that means here you have to make some words according to the instruction. Make 3 words from each of the following words. Make 3 words from each of the following words. You have to make 3 words using these letters of these words. Like donkey, you have to write 3 words using the letters in donkey. So I have already made 3 words. You can make any other words. First one is yen, Y-E-N, yen. That means Japan's rupees. Node, N-O-D-E. That means agreed your opinion to with the action of your head. Deny, D-E-N-Y, deny. That means refuse to something or someone. सेकेंड स्ट्रेंज. स्ट्रेंज से लेकर मैं 3 वर्ड बनाई हूँ. ग्नाट, गियर, रेंज, स्टार. ग्नाट मीन्स मस्क्यूटो. दैट मीन्स जिसको हिंदी में हम डांस कहते हैं. गियर, गाड़ी का गियर आप जानते हो. रेंज, स्टार. यू कैन मेक ओनली द अदर वर्ड्स. प्लीज, पी एल्स स्लीप. पी एल्स sleep. Then grammar point. Complete the sentence using verbs from the clue box. Here are 4 verbs. You have to complete the sentence using these verbs and an appropriate verb. Sorry. The first verb is laugh, eat, kicked, climbs. Parth likes to dash ice cream. Parth likes to dash ice cream. So we put eat verb in this blank. Parth likes to eat ice cream. Second, Ankush dash the ball towards the goal. Ankush dash the ball towards the goal. Here we use kicked verb. Ankush kicked the ball towards the goal. Third, Rashi's jokes make us laugh. Rashi's jokes make us laugh. Number 4, little team dash the stairs. Little team dash the stairs. Little team climbs the stairs. Then number 2, given below are some words. They are all common nouns. Group them correctly according to the headings given. We have already knowledge about the nouns, about the common nouns and their groups. People, animals or birds, things, places. Here are the common nouns. You have to arrange them according to their groups. Like मैंने यहाँ पे कर दिए. People, son, baby, artist, father, mother. Animal and birds, donkey, pigeon, bee, sparrow, tiger. Things, book, pasta, ball, scissors, popcorn. That means these are the names of things. Places, hospital, terrace, school, town, temple. These are the names of places. So students, this is all about your comprehension. I think you can understand with my answer sheets. So here is an homework for you. Find out the action words from this story. ये स्टोरी से आपको एक्शन वर्ड फाइंड करना है. जैसे कि गोइंग, जानते हो आप एक्शन वर्ड गोइंग. उसी तरह आपको ये स्टोरी से अलग एक्शन वर्ड निकालना, ढूंढ कर निकालना है. सेकेंड होमवर्क, राइट द ऑपोजिट वर्ड फ्रॉम द स्टोरी. दैट मीन्स स्टोरी के हेल्प से आप ऑपोजिट लिख पाओगे. cry का opposite, kind opposite, foolish opposite, behind opposite, poor opposite and heavy opposite. आपको ये खुद को करना है. So students, this is the whole about your comprehension class. So my advice to you that you all write out this in your English copy and practice for your exam. I think my hard copy will help you to being prepared for your exam. So follow it carefully and read it mindfully. So students, this is our second part of the chapter 2, the farmer and the son. So read it mindfully. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.